Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW 1 Series tire. Position wheel chocks behind wheels, loosen lug nuts a turn, and place the hydraulic jack at the correct pinch weld or jack point. Use the spare or replacement tire and hand thread lug nuts before lowering. Tighten nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer torque and recheck after a short drive for safety and peace of mind. Once the car is safely lifted, completely remove the lug nuts and pull the wheel straight off the hub to avoid damaging studs or the brake rotor. Inspect the brake pad edge, rotor surface, and studs for any rust or debris before fitting the replacement tire. Keep lug nuts in a safe spot and avoid touching oily surfaces. Replace any damaged hardware and clean contact surfaces gently before installing the new wheel. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for picking up tire dust and garage debris, and voice control makes cleanup effortless after a tire change. It even maps rooms so you can focus on the task at hand. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Place the new wheel onto the hub and hand thread each lug nut to avoid cross-threading. Lower the car until the tire contacts the road and is slightly bearing weight, then use a torque wrench to tighten nuts in a star pattern to the recommended BMW torque. Fully lower the car and retorque to confirm. Finish by checking tire pressure and wheel balance if you notice vibration during a test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.